everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I will show you how to start a Fire TV stick without remote. So now your Fire Stick TV has lost you the remote. So here are some options on how to retrieve and opening your Fire TV stick. So first off, you want to power on and then plug your Fire TV stick onto your TV's HDMI port. Connect the USB power cable to an outlet or TV USB support, and then the Fire Stick will automatically turn on. So first option is that use the Fire TV app, which is very recommended. If you want to search it online, you can download the application, the Fire TV app, and then use it as a remote. Second option is that use an Alexa device. So if you have an Alexa device on your TV or beside your TV, you just want to make sure that Fire Stick and Alexa device are connected to the same Amazon account. You just want to say, Alexa, turn on the Fire TV, and then Alexa, play Stranger Things on Fire TV. So if still that doesn't work, you also have another option, which is use your TV remote. You want to go back to your TV settings and enable the HDMI-CEC, sometimes called AnyNet Plus, Simplink, or Bravia Sync depending on brand, and then use your TV remote's arrows key and then OK button to control the Fire Stick. Lastly, second from the last option is you want to use a universal remote. You want to purchase a universal remote on Amazon. There are a lot or a bunch of universal remote that you can see. Lastly, or the least option is you want to get a replacement remote. You just want to purchase an official Fire TV remote from Amazon and insert batteries and hold the home button for 10 seconds to pair it with your Fire Stick.